Hi. My name is Matt Love. You may remember me from such excellent bands as Wimps, Thingy, Blood Paradise, Holy Dorks, The Waiters, Remote Possibility, Dweebish, Mr. Abato, Blind Kiwi Fillmore, Homeless Codes, The Mere Mortals, Tiny Little P, The Stupid Love Experience, and many, many more. Or not. The other day I had an epiphany, which is to an epiphone what a phony is to a fender, but I digress. I realized that there are many quote-unquote artists that aren't worthy to change my adult diapers, yet they are more famous than I am. How did this heartbreaking state of affairs come about? I guess that life is what happens to you when you don't have time to work on fame. I've had life, now I'm going to try fame. Inspired by Kiss's latest gimmick, I'm inviting you to demand that I play in your town. I will go to where I get the most votes first, and the others in descending order, as long as there are 3 or more people willing to turn out to see me perform. Check out my Facebook and MySpace profiles, MattLove1, that's MATTLOVE1 for details. You won't regret it. I may be old, but I still rock pretty hard. Word out.